And here we are, students. Let's go for a great class. Present simple. Remember, students, present simple versus present continuous. Yes, this is very important class. We need to know the difference between present and present because now we have two presents. So what's the difference? Okay. First, let's try to use the principal difference in the form, okay? Because they are very different in the form. When I want to ask a question in present, when I want to make an affirmative sentence in present simple, we do this kind of sentence. I'm going to write a very simple sentence because we are practicing the form, okay? I study English every Tuesday. And remember, if I change the person I for she, okay, so we are going to have she studies, okay, English every Tuesday. Okay, in simple present or present simple, okay, so we have the verb in the basic form. Remember, the list of verbs is the infinitive, no to, for the person I, you, we, they. And for the person he, she, it, we have some changes in the verb, okay? For example, the verb stud, studies, have, has. Remember? If you don't remember, return to Unit 3 to remember, because teacher said about this. Okay, this is in simple present or present simple. And present continuous. Present continuous. Let's go for present continuous. I am studying English now. Okay? And if I put she is studying English now. Okay? So students, in present continuous is verb to be in present, am, is, are, plus ing in the next verb. I am, she is, and ing in the next verb. Okay? And a negative sentence in present simple. A negative, remember, all negative sentences in English need the auxiliary. So let's go. Auxiliary of present. So we have they don't speak with me. Oh my God, sorry. Every day. Okay, they don't speak with me every day. And remember, when we have he, she, it, the auxiliary is not don't. Example, he doesn't speak with me every day. So, negative sentence in present simple. We have the auxiliary and the verb in infinitive form. Remember? If you don't remember, Unit 3, return there. If I have he, she, it, the auxiliary doesn't, and the verb basic form. Okay? So this is the negative of present simple. and the negative of present continuous, because we are comparing the two present forms. So we have here, they aren't speaking with me now. Okay? And if I put the person he isn't speaking with me now. Okay, so present continuous is necessary verb to be negative form, because it's negative, so it's the auxiliary verb to be negative plus ing in the next verb, negative. He in this case is isn't and ing. Never forget, is verb to be plus ing, the two, okay, together, or you don't have present continuous. Okay, now interrogative, questions in present simple. Questions, remember class, is necessary auxiliary plus person plus verb plus complement. Okay, so my question is, what do you do every Saturday? Okay, so we have auxiliary, person, verb. Okay, it's a question, auxiliary plus person. But remember, in present we have the auxiliary do and the auxiliary does for he, she, it. The question is, what does she do every Saturday? Okay, so questions in present simple, auxiliary do plus person plus verb in basic form, okay, the infinitive. Don't forget that for he, she, it, the auxiliary is does and the verb in basic form, okay. And what about present continuous? Let's go for present continuous. Present continuous we have, what are you doing right now? Okay, or if I put the person she, what is she doing right now? Okay, so in interrogative forms in present continuous is necessary auxiliary. The auxiliary is verb to be. Verb to be is auxiliary in present and in past. Huh? So are, because it's the person you, are you, plus the verb plus ing. Don't forget the ing. In she person is necessary is, because she is, but it's a question. Is she? First the auxiliary. The verb plus ing. So now you can see the difference between present simple and present continuous. Present simple is always about do, does, and present continuous is always about am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. Okay, memorize like a mantra. Okay, now another way for you to know the difference is in the use, students, because when I speak about a routine, every Tuesday, every day, every Saturday, routine. When I speak about habit, okay? I study English every day. It's a habit, okay? When I speak about repetitive actions, okay? They don't speak with me every day, okay? Repetitive action. I eat every day, repetitive. We use the present simple for repetitive habits, routines. So remember, when you speak to an American, I study English every day, the Americans will understand you have a routine. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you study English. It's the routine. But if you speak to an American, I am studying English now, the Americans understand you are describing a temporary action. You are describing this moment. They don't understand you have a routine, because routine we use the present simple. And to describe the moment, to speak about a temporary action, we use the present continuous. Present continuous. So imagine you speak to American. I am eating a sandwich now. The American understands that this moment you are eating a sandwich, okay? Other sentence, you speak to American. I eat a sandwich every morning. The American understands that you have a routine in your life. Every morning you have a sandwich, okay? So, routine, habit, repetitive actions, present simple. Description, temporary action, present continuous. Come here, look. I am studying English now. Now you are describing a temporary action. I study English every day. I study indicates a routine, a repetitive action, okay? They aren't speaking with me now. It's a description of the moment. This moment, they aren't speaking with me. But they don't speak with me every day. It's different. Every day, they don't speak with me. It's a habit. They have a habit. They don't speak with me, okay? What do you do every Saturday? I am asking your routine, your habits for Saturdays, okay? What are you doing right now? Describe this moment. You, what are you doing now? Teacher, I am looking at you. Very good, okay? You are describing the moment. So, routine adverbs. Look, every time the sentence is in simple present or present simple, we have an adverb to enfatizar the routine. Every Thursday indicates a routine. I always speak English with my students. Always, a routine. So students, we have adverbs to indicate routine. Example, always. I never eat meat because I am vegetarian. So it's a habit, never, okay? Seldom. every day, every week, every month, every year, etc. We have more adverbs for routine. Description adverbs. Oh, look here, right now, now. So when you say now, right now, at the moment, today, okay, you are, etc. You are describing the moment, only the moment, okay? So students, basically the difference between present simple and present continuous you have here, okay? Remember that you have to ask me questions when you have doubts, okay? So remember, in the video classes, ask me questions, use the WhatsApp for more questions. I'm here for you. If you have any problems about these, ask me. I love problems. So we find the solution, right, students? Okay, I hope you understand, but if you don't, ask me and I will help you, of course, okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next class.